Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Crafty Kim Creates. Hopefully you guys will hit that like and subscribe button if you are new to this channel. And thank you for all your love and support to my returning subscribers. So today I want to share with you guys a different style of doll or ornament or decoration. And I just love the way he came out. Just look at that face, it's so stinking cute. Those little cheeks, the little nose and eyes, just adorable. I could eat them up. So yeah, so obviously as you can see, it's another gingerbread doll, and I used some fabric from Joanne, peppermint candy fabric from Joanne's, and he's on his belly with his little tushy up in the air. And he is in his little sleeping pajamas. He is waiting for Santa Claus. And I think he just came out absolutely adorable. So, I will be listing him in my Etsy shop. And I was thinking of adding some rickrack going across here. I don't know. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, if I should add the little rickrack going across the little hands. But yeah, absolutely love the way it came out. It is so very lightweight and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It will look cute in any Christmas decoration, decor. It would just add so much cuteness. Absolutely love it. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think, and I will be listing him in my Etsy shop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make more of these. It depends. So yeah, and I might, if I do, I will use different fabric, some other red and white fabric, or some just different fabrics that I have if I decide to make more. But right now I don't think so. So yeah, let me know what you think. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and also check out my Etsy shop, Heavenly Treats #4 with the letter U, Heavenly Treats for You, over on Etsy. Also check out my Instagram, Crafty Kim 777. And I thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.